Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a gorgeous 1963 Ford Galaxie 500 XL, and if you haven't noticed, it's red on red. The top goes down. The XL means it's got bucket seats with a center console, 390 automatic, and I'm telling you, this comes from a really good seller. This car is dialed in. The clock is working. Turnkey, ready to go enjoy. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study the pictures. That's where you'll find the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. This topless Galaxie. Claimed to be, and it's very believable, 65,000 mile car. It's from Kentucky, and it is rust-free. Underneath, the floors are beautiful, front to back, even up underneath the rear quarters here. This is dry, clean metal. The inner part is not patched or cut up or rusted. It's just clean. All the floor pans, all the factory seams and pinch welds are all real nice. It's been cleaned up and given a nice dusting of black paint, so it just looks really nice and clean and tidy. The motor was claimed to have been recently rebuilt. You look up at the motor from underneath, it's clean. It has the Cruise-O-Matic transmission in there, and it's got 3-to-1 ratio gears in the back, a nice cruising gear. It has a dual exhaust system. They're pretty much straight pipes all the way till you get to the back. Then there's two resonators with turn-down tips. We'll hear how that sounds in just a minute. The brakes have all been redone. The power steering control valve unit up front was just rebuilt. It's got 4 new shocks. So very, again, turnkey, dialed in, ready to go. When you drive this car, it goes over the railroad tracks and smooth and just drives nice. You know, one hand on the wheel. It's really one of the good ones. It was born these colors, red over red, Rangoon red actually, and the body is exceptional. It is absolutely straight. I'm looking across the hood. It looks like I'm looking at a red mirror. Same thing with the sides. And it is completely smooth along the bottoms. There are no bubbles down here. The gaps are real nice. Doors, trunk, or hood, trunk, all of it fits beautifully. And the red paint is polished out super slick. I mean, really, it's exceptional. I'm walking around trying to find something to tell you that's wrong with it, and I haven't seen anything yet. All of the trim has either been replaced or restored. So we got real nice tail lights. The bumper's gorgeous. This whole panel is excellent. Now, it's not new. There's a light scratch. It's like an aluminum metal. There's a little light scratch or mark here or there, but it's really nice. The emblems are sparkling. The trim on the sides, there's a little scuff here on the corner, but otherwise this is all real straight. The black pinstripe in there is real nice. Little abrasions on the surface right there. Door handles are original. It's got a little freckling on the chrome. So not all the chrome is new, I take that back, but it's really nice. It's certainly, when you look at it, it all looks new. It's got the nice deluxe mirror, that looks new. Original windshield, there is a faint wiper mark up here at the top. It's not in your line of vision, and it's really not that bad. The stainless trim is real nice. You know, all these gaps are right on the money. It's got the wire wheel hubcaps, some nice radial tires. These look new. The bumper is new chrome. The grille looks to be really good, original. And it's really cool. If you don't know how to open the hood, it's the emblem right here in the middle. And then the second latch. Under the hood, firewall, it's all painted nice gloss red. This is a 394 barrel that's in here now. It was originally a 352. Someone's upgraded it to a 390. And again, the motor is claimed to be rebuilt, and it sure acts like a rebuilt motor. It runs beautifully. Everything in here is detailed. It has the washer fluid bag, the decals on the air cleaner, power steering, power brakes. It's an upgraded power brake unit with the dual reservoir master cylinder. Beautiful red interior. They used all this chrome trim. Look at that door panel. That should be hanging on the wall in my office. It's a beautiful door panel. Nice, big, ginormous, clean trunk. Also detailed. Painted beautifully. The jam is slick, new rubber. The whole new liner kit. It's got a matching spare. It's got the liners on the side. Trunk compartment's beautiful. Convertible top is white. Power works fine. It's a newer white top. It still looks new. Of course, we got a nice new boot. All the upholstery is redone. The cushions are redone. I just sat in it, and you can tell right away it's nice, firm seats. Carpets are replaced. Has the rubber floor mats. And then everything across the dash. Has the padded dash, the knobs, center console. All that looks really good. Interior lights are working. Yeah, underneath the hood here, the fuel pump looks recent. The horns are hooked up. The wiring is all neat and tidy. So why don't we start it up, hear how it runs. Door jambs are beautiful. Weather strips are real good. The owner of the car told me everything works except the windshield squirters. Other than that, I just tried the AM radio works. I told you the clock is working. The lights all work. It is a turnkey car. I'm telling you, I trust this guy enough. If he tells me it's turnkey car, I wouldn't even need our mechanic to look at it. I would just hop in it and go. So whoever gets it's going to get a nice one. Now watch my luck. It won't start after I bragged about it. I knew it would. The exhaust has a little bit of a rasp to it, but it's not obnoxious at all. It sounds perfect. Door jambs are beautiful. Even the lights work in the door panels here. I'm not kidding when I say this is the type of door panel you hang on your wall. It's beautiful. The knobs and cranks are real nice. Vent window chrome, very nice original. Door shuts real nice and solid. There you have it. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car, but if you have specific concerns or questions, they'd be happy to answer them. They can also make financing, shipping, and the paperwork a breeze. So go to volocars.com if you're interested in buying this car. If you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.